Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a design that is selling over $16,000 a month in revenue on Etsy and how you can go about attacking this niche and providing new value as well. Now this is in the mom niche, not surprisingly, because Mother's Day is quickly approaching. However, the mom niche is a really great niche to get into because it's a niche that sells year-round, not just at Mother's Day, because people buy gifts, for other holidays, for birthdays and things like that. So great niche to be in if you're willing to niche down and try to get to some of those less competitive niches. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel. I am a wife and mama of two amazing kiddos, a full-time Etsy seller, now Etsy print-on-demand coach, here to give you all the tips and tricks to help you to be successful in your own Etsy print-on-demand journey. Make sure to check out below. I have a free Etsy print-on-demand starter guide, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. All right, here we are on Etsy, and not surprisingly, it is a personalized listing. Personalized listings do really, really well on Etsy. Myself personally, before I started selling on Etsy, I only shopped on Etsy a few times, and every single time it was for a unique personalized item. So that's what a lot of people still come to Etsy for. So especially in the beginning when you're a new shop, it's a great way to just generate some new sales and to get sales is to offer some personalized custom items, which is exactly what this item is. So next I'm going to run my Everbee analytics here to see how much money it's estimated to be making a month. As we can see here, the estimated monthly sales is $284 or $16,000 in monthly revenue. Now we don't know exactly what their profit margin is here because we need to keep in mind material costs and things like that. So this listing is a custom birth month listing. So there is a flower for each individual birth month of the year. Now I'm going to go onto Etsy and kind of get an idea of what types of products are already available in this niche and to see how competitive it is. There were only 3,000 results, which is actually not bad. That's not like super competitive. So let's go ahead and see how we could go about adding new value to this niche. And we're gonna also kind of check out the colors that are popular. So green, of course, which was what the main listing was. Sand, white, gray. I really like the idea of the mother. So the mommy and me idea is really cool. That's just a great way to upsell this listing. So if a mom wants to get one for, a flower for each one of her children, so that would be a great way to upsell this. Really genius there. Pocket, you could do pocket. You could add the names like you have here. You could do some like retro flowers. That's really cool. You could obviously add this to a t-shirt as well. Okay, so now that I've gotten a good idea of what types of items are selling this niche on Etsy, I'm going to hop on over to Creative Fabrica to see if I can find some graphics that I really like to add to this niche. So I'm just going to type in birth month just to see kind of what populates here to see if we can get some different new ideas. I really like the celestial idea because I didn't really notice anyone doing that, to be honest. I really like these. There were some others. Let's go back. There was another one I really liked. This one, these are really cool too. I think I like these better. I'm gonna go ahead and check these out. I'm gonna download these to my computer. And then I could throw these on a mock-up. And then I would also create like a chart basically showing each month so that they could quickly see and gauge which month that they would want to use and what the month that they would be purchasing would look like. And then once you're on Canva, you can go ahead and upload those designs. And as you can see here, it's really kind of a cool design because it has the constellation and the flower. So it's just really, really unique, really personalized. Just a fun way to add new value to this niche. So there's lots of other things you could do too. You could also try adding the names. You could do some of the retro or the vintage types as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video and got some new ideas for how to provide new value to this custom mom niche. If you have any questions about this process or selling on Etsy or print on demand, feel free to drop those in the comments below. Up next is a design tutorial playlist you may want to check out.